In company creation tutorial, you must be introduced to the working style option. However, this tutorial explores the working style option a little more. Whenever we modify a company or create a new company, we find this option working style. Working style is used where inventory is maintained batch wise or where secondary stock is maintained. Now the question arises, what is batch wise inventory and what is secondary stock? For example, in garments trade, inventory is maintained size wise, color wise, gender wise, etc. Suppose shirts. Shirts come in different sizes, in different colors for different group of people, etc. So this is called secondary stock or batch wise stock. Similarly, in footwear trading, size wise inventory is maintained. And in FMCG business, MRP wise batches are created. So taking this into consideration, we have working style, where you have FIFO secondary, self secondary and manual secondary, which is implemented in sale bill and purchase bill. And in sale bill itself, you can change or switch between working styles by pressing Ctrl plus F2 function key. Now let's understand what is FIFO, self and manual. Suppose we have 3 batches of the same product and I'm creating a sale bill, that is a receipt of those products. So whenever I will load those products in the sale bill, a batch window will appear where we manually have to select a batch, that from which batch are we selling how much quantity. So this is manual selection. If we select FIFO, that is first in first out, then the batch window won't appear. FIFO directly deducts quantity from the first batch first and then from the second batch. Suppose I have a product of 2 batches, batch number 1 and batch number 2, and in both the batches I have 100 quantity, and I create sale bill in which I am selling 20 quantity. So that 20 quantity will automatically be deducted from batch number 1, which we created first. And then when all the quantity will be over from that first batch, then from the second batch quantity will be deducted. So this is how FIFO works. And if we select self secondary, then this window will appear when we select a product available in multiple batches, and then you can manually enter on the batch you want to sell from. So let's implement these one by one in Marg software. Firstly, let's create a new product from item master. Press F2. We'll name the product as new product. And then we'll save it. And then we'll purchase this product. Then define the batch number, means in which batch are we purchasing this product. Suppose in 001 batch I am purchasing 60 quantity, and in another batch, batch number is 002, I am purchasing 10 quantity. So in batch number 001 I purchased 60 quantity, and in batch number 002 I purchased 10 quantity. Now I'll save this purchase bill. Now let's create a sale bill and see. Select the product you want to sell. So we select new product. So here you see this batch window has appeared. Means the working style right now is set to self. And here all the details of the batch is displayed, like the batch number, rate A, MRP, expiry, etc. Like suppose from the first batch 001 I sell 5 quantity, and from the second batch I sell another 5 quantity. And now we will save this bill. So this was self. Now let's see FIFO base. Before that, let's make sure how much stock is available in both our batches. In 001 batch 55 pieces are remaining, and in 002 batch 5 pieces are remaining. Now we'll switch to FIFO working style directly from here itself. For that you will go on this blank line and press the Ctrl F2 function key. So our working style has changed to FIFO. Again we'll select new product, enter, and here you see batch window has not appeared. Now suppose I'm selling 59 pieces. So here you see from the first batch 001, 55 quantity is deducted, and then from the second batch the other 4 quantities picked. Now we'll save this bill. Now let's switch to manual base. For that we'll again press Ctrl F2, select new product, and this is where the batch window is shown on selecting manual style. So here you can take a view at how many stocks are available in which batch and the batch number, and from which batch number do you want to sell how many quantity. So you will directly define the batch number here, enter, and type the quantity to be sold. If you remember, then we had only one quantity left in 002 batch. So if we try to sell more than one quantity, let's say 3 quantity, so here it shows saleable stock 1 pieces. Means only one quantity is left in the selected batch. So now we'll sell this and save this bill. So friends, in this way we learned about the working style in Marg software. Thanks for watching.